Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another Hot Wheels hunting adventure at Walmart. I found this brand new unopened box of Hot Wheels next to the toy aisle, and I asked if I could open it up and go through it and see what there is and put the rest up on the pegs. So let's open this up, and got my little knife that I got here and try to open it. It reminds me of those days back in Kmart where you had those Kmart days and you got to open a brand new box. Man, it's been a long time. Do you guys remember that, where you got to open brand new boxes at Kmart and find all those Kmart exclusives and super treasure hunts and treasure hunts? I miss those days. But here's one of my opportunities to open a brand new box. It's so cool to see one of these boxes. It's been so long since I haven't got to open one of these fresh, full of Hot Wheels. So I don't know what I'm going to find in it. Hopefully I'll find a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt. So let's see. We got the Ford Raptor and there's a Mazda Miata there. So it looks like these are kind of like old vehicles from a previous case. I forgot which case this is. And I'll just have to keep on going through here and see what there is. There's that Mercedes-Benz sedan and the Triceratops vehicle down there. Let's see what else is there. Got Ford Mustang. Hey, what is this? This is different. Oh, it is a Zamac vehicle. It is a Tooned mill Zamac. Huh. So I guess I'm working with a box full of Zamacs mixed in with some old vehicles. So let's see if I can find the rest of the Zamacs. And whoa, looks like I found the other two. So most of the time Zamacs come out in threes, and I think I just found all three of them in this box. So we got the El Camino. This is kind of funky design on that one. And then we got the Land Rover Defender. So I found all three of those so far. Let's see if I can find a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt. See what we have here. It's kind of hard to grab it up and show you guys. So we got the Audi R8 Spider and the S13. So we are working with an old case. But, you know, I'm still going to go through this since it's a brand new case to look through. There's a bat plane right there. Doesn't hurt to check all this since it's brand new. I love being able to go through this. We got the Land Cruiser, another Zamac. So it looks like they got a few Zamacs in this box. Hopefully it doesn't take the place of a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt. I heard that sometimes it happens that way. You find a box of Zamacs, you may not find a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt. There's that Land Rover Zamac. I'll put that aside and put it on the pegs later. I'm sure there's some other collectors who would like to get some of these Zamacs that just come out at Walmart. So usually Walmarts are the ones that get Zamacs. So there's another S13 and another R8. So I'm going to go on to the next level in the next part. So it's time to dive into the next layer of Hot Wheels. So I already went through 36 vehicles and now there's 36 down here. Let's kind of move this paper out of the way so I can have some room to show you guys the rest of this box. So we got the Monte Carlo and the Celica, the classic Celica. Let's see what else is in here. Some Hot Wheel design vehicles. Not really into these vehicles, but they're pretty cool, you know. Let's see, we got another X-Jet and then a Nissan race vehicle. Set that aside. I have an X-Jet already, so someone else can grab it on the pegs when I put these rest of these Hot Wheels on the pegs. We got the Mercedes-Benz sedan and then the La Trucka. Let's see. Yep, I've been working with an end case. I forgot to check it for you guys, but that's what I've been working on, was an end case full of Zamacs. Got another Raptor over here. See what else is in this second layer. Hopefully I can find something good like a treasure hunt or a super. There's that orange Bronco and another El Camino Zamac. see what else. We got the Bugatti EB110s. There's 2 of them. Already have that vehicle in a previous hunt. Set that aside for someone else. See what else. We got the Space Jam van and the Impala, like rescue vehicle. Some more cool cars. Ooh, there's that Tesla Cybertruck. Pretty neat. Put that aside for someone else who can grab it later on off the pegs. There's a Camaro, the Porsche 914, and then the Nissan Leaf. There's another Zamac Land Rover Defender. So it looks like I'm towards the end, and this box is just full of Zamacs and no treasure hunt or super treasure hunt. But, you know, I just wanted to show you guys what I found in this brand new box. I guess I'll put all this back in the box and bring it over to the pegs. And set it up there for someone else to grab the rest of the vehicles. So in summary, these are the 3 vehicles I decided to get out of that full box of Hot Wheels that I just opened. We got the Land Rover Defender, which is number 13 for the Zamac series of 2021. Really like that mudslinging on the side of that vehicle. And it's part of the end case. Very cool SUV. Next, we got the 80s El Camino, which is number 14 for the series. And it's on part of the Hot Wheels art cars with that very pink base. And last, this is number 15 of the Tooned twin mill with that gold engines on the side. Very flashy on that one. But here they are, the 3 Zamac vehicles of 2021, which is probably the last ones for the Walmart exclusives. What do you guys think of these 3? My favorite is the Land Rover, but do you guys have a favorite, or would you collect all 3 of them? Or was there any vehicles that you saw in the box that you really liked? Let me know below in the comments, and just tell me what you guys like. And if you like this content, please share, hit the like button, and subscribe. It would really help my channel. And I appreciate you watching, and happy hunting. Be safe out there, and good luck on finding some cool vehicles.